Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we unboxing some NUM NOMS series 4. Let's start open. Okay, oh, I need some help from scissors. Okay, we'll take it there. Right, let's see what here we got. What? Who is it? I got no idea who this is, but we'll see. Oh, we already have this one, I think. And who is this? I don't know if this one is the, well, I got no idea who it is. I don't know if it's the ultra rare, no ultra rare, because there's the shiny one, and I don't know if we just got it. Oh. I don't know, guys. Who was it? The ultra rare nana polish it. Okay, but I only have to get the plastic off and see. I don't think I think we got duplicate. Oh. I don't know who that is. Be careful. No. So, let's check out how it looks, guys, now. But wait, oh, there's still some plastic? No, how? Is it the same? You'll see, so. To see, just wait, I will get it on, both of them. But wait, I can't get it all on. The yellow is so hard to put. Do you see that? I don't know who we get. Let's see the difference, guys, now. If it's the same, then tell me in the comment section. Is it the same? Guys, is this the same? Is this the same, guys? I can't tell, but I think it looks like the same, so I think it's the same. So please subscribe to my channel. Bye.